Welcome here. My name is Adarsh Patil. Welcome to the channel. Let's move towards today's content of this video. First point, we'll discuss the definition of science. In the second point, we'll discuss the definition of chemistry. In the third point, we'll discuss branches of chemistry, and in the last point, we'll get to know about the scope and importance of chemistry. Before that, let me introduce to the channel. The channel name is LearnLogic Channel. This is a specially designed channel for 11th and 12th science students. Here we will be having a series of lectures from physics, chemistry and maths, where we will be having basic concepts in easy manner. Okay, let's move towards the contents of the video. First point, what is science? Science is a systematic and organized approach to acquire knowledge about the natural world through observation, experimentation and analysis. What comes in science is we observe, experiment and analyze the things in the world to gain the knowledge around or about the world. Okay, it involves using evidence-based methods to understand and explain phenomena, make predictions and develop theories. By undergoing observations and experimentation, we make some predictions and develop theories. Likewise, Newton developed the theories and laws of motion. Likewise, okay, science encompasses various disciplines such as physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy, and geology, each with its own specific methodologies and areas of study. The main disciplines of science are physics, where mostly the work is related to motion of bodies, chemistry, chemical properties and chemical structure related things are discussed in chemistry. In biology, the science related to living things, astronomy, astrological science, geology related to that field. Okay, then by employing rigorous methodologies and critical thinking, science aims to uncover the underlying principles that govern the universe and contribute to our understanding of the world we live in. Okay, what this line states is that science is the process of learning the world around us by observation, experimentation. That same thing is stated in the another form by saying that if we have multiple methodologies to uncover the rules of nature, then we can understand the world in better. Okay, last of it, simply, what is the definition of science, or what is science? Science is a strategic way of learning the world. Okay, move towards next point. Second point is chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is scientific study of matter, including its characteristics, composition and changes. As discussed in previous point, chemistry is a scientific study of matter, including its characteristics, compositions and changes. Matter is anything that is available in this world, including its characteristics. There are some characteristics of matter, likewise its weight, color, aroma, likewise there are many other things as well. Composition, what that matter is made of. For example, sugar is made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, it has some chemical formula. from which the sugar is made from. Okay, and changes related to that. Chemistry also plays a crucial role in understanding structure and behavior of atoms, molecules, and compounds. This is the main point where the chemistry is treated. Okay, it investigates how various substances interact with one another and combine to create a new substance. Simply another. Again, simply chemistry is a strategic way of learning the chemical properties of any matter. If you want to learn the chemical properties of any matter, the type of learning or the way of learning is called as chemistry. Move towards under the chemistry. Yeah, making the reactions likewise. Okay. Move towards the next point, branches of chemistry. First branch is physical chemistry, where the actual study of study related to structure of matter, energy changes, and transformation is taken into major consideration. Okay. Another is second branch is inorganic chemistry, where the study related to matters consisting other than carbon elements. Organic chemistry, third branch, organic chemistry, matter consisting carbon and other elements. Okay, carbon plus other elements. Carbon is mandatory for organic chemistry study. Okay. Analytical chemistry. In analytical chemistry, there are quantitative composition of substances. Fifth one is biochemistry, and it is related to the study of chemistry of living organisms. Sixth one is pharmaceutical chemical uses, study of chemical uses of elements to the living organisms. Okay. Next one is environmental. It involves the study of chemical applications to the betterment of environment. Last one is nuclear chemistry, that is nuclear power generation and other uses. This has some major area of interest in study of atoms and molecular structure. Okay, move towards the next point. Any guesses related to the branches of chemistry that these are pointing to? Guess in 10 seconds. The first one picture you are seeing on the left, upper left, is undergoes physical chemistry. The lower right, pharmaceuticals, that is to the pharmaceutical. Okay. After that, in the left side, inorganics are there. In the right side, organic compounds are there. Okay. This is example of nuclear power station, where the nuclear chemistry comes into the picture. Last point of this video, scope and importance of chemistry. First point, that is engineering materials like steel, iron, stainless steel, brass, bronze, and various other materials are required to be extracted from their ores. They need to be purified and synthesized to make it usable. Samples are being taken for laboratory checking purposes, making dye and forming the castings of whatever required engineering components. Next use of chemistry, we can say, is in drugs, mainly in pharmaceutical chemistry branch of you can say the uses of drugs or importance of drugs like insulin, cisplatin, Taxol, cisplatin and Taxol, then AZT, that is azithromycin, and Tamiflu, L-Dopa. Okay, insulin, everyone might know insulin is required for controlling the sugar level in human. Then cisplatin and Taxol are the major drugs for treatment of cancer. Then AZT drug is used in the treatment of AIDS. Then Tamiflu, the, the Tamiflu drug is used in the treatment of H1N1, that is a swine flu, which was spread due to pigs. Lastly, L-Dopa is the drug used for treatment of Parkinson's disease. Next, related to food, the backbone of a food chain, that is photosynthesis. This is dependent on chemistry. It's a simple photosynthesis reaction. You may see here the plants take in the carbon dioxide from air and water from the roots, right from the soil, and take sunlight from the sun and make their own food out, and release out the oxygen, and make some carbohydrates, which in the form of energy, which the human and other animals can use. Okay. To this next point, energy, solar, natural oil, natural gas require some mining to take into use resource. Then electrochemical conversions, the batteries that we are using, that are primary and secondary batteries, what are rechargeable, non-rechargeable. There is some electrochemical reactions are going on, and that's why the learning that also very important. Next part is materials. In chemistry, the another area of study is materials, and you can gain innovative materials like polymers, plastics, adhesives, surface coats, and electronic semiconductors. And the as you can see in the pictures on the right hand side, there are various different materials are required for making the PCB to work, and that PCB is also plays a vital role in modifying the systems, like mobile phone. Likewise, you can see in the right hand side picture, there is a PCB wherein the requirement of various types of materials like silicon and other semiconductors and other various materials are used or required for that building. Okay, in the left side you can see the FRP, that is fiber reinforced plastic, which is one of the emerging technology of chemistry. Okay, let's move towards the next. Okay, this slide is specially made for you. Now you have to comment in the comment section that what is the scope and importance of these 6 things. Let me number it from top left to right, 1 2 3, bottom left to right, 4 5 6. Comment down what is the importance of that, and what this picture is related to. Okay, here we come to end. Thank you. Jai Hind. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Have a great day.